So my wedding is less than a year away. And while I've been having a ton of fun dress shopping, it's time for me to find a good skincare routine so that way I can look my absolute best on my big day. So today I'm going to be doing a 1-week review of the Urban Skin RX Even Tone Essentials Starter Kit. The kit comes with the Even Tone Cleansing Bar 3-in-1 treatment, the Even Tone Super Glow Serum, the Retinol Rapid Dark Spot Repair Treatment, and sunscreen. So we're starting our morning routine off with the Even Tone 3-in-1 Cleansing Bar. This is just your regular facial wash that's meant to target dark spots and brighten your tone, which is my biggest skincare issue. I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, and my target for my skincare routine is to really get rid of that hyperpigmentation or at least soften it a bit. Step 2 of this routine is the Super Glow Serum. This is a full-size serum. This serum is 10% absorbic acid as well as kojic acid. I've heard that kojic acid is really the key to clearing hyperpigmentation. So I'm really hoping this serum can deliver. The third and final step of my morning routine is my sunscreen. And this is a dual sunscreen and moisturizer. And I love this sunscreen. And you want to know why? Because it doesn't have that weird sunscreen smell, that kind of chemical thing going on. It's super lightweight and easy to use.
Stay down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Host still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time.
I'm adding in my Garners Garden Cocoa Butter. I use cocoa butter whenever I get acne scars and any kind of scars on my body. You lather it in for a good 20 seconds and let me tell y'all, it works wonders. Later on this week, you're going to see that scar slowly go away and you're going to understand why cocoa butter is the holy grail. Okay? Now we're moving into our night routine, and for the night routine, we're going to use the second set of products. Starting off with the 3-in-1 Cleansing Bar treatment just to get my face nice and clean. Step 2 of my nighttime routine is the dark spot repair treatment. So this is going to be a retinol-based cream that is highly acidic and highly chemicalized. And because it's highly chemicalized, they do recommend you use it every other night, not every night, but every other night for the first 3 weeks of using the product. You guys, this stuff is really strong, and I'm glad I started off by just targeting my dark spots, because if you're not careful, you can really burn yourself. Step 3 and 4 of my nighttime routine, I actually use Clinique. So I use their under eye treatment for just my bags and my dark circles. And then I go in as well with the overnight mask. From there, a little bit of lotion and I'm all done. So it's day 4, and you guys, we have hit a roadblock. So up until this point, my skin was doing pretty well, and I had no negative reactions. But once we reached day 4, my skin really started to react to these products. This stuff is really strong, you guys. My face at this point had felt pretty raw. Even when I would use my cleansing bar, the facial wash, the sunscreen, the serum, whenever I would apply it to my skin at this point, my skin was burning. You can literally tell in the video. Right here, I'm like flinching. Can you guys tell? Like it really started to affect my skin at this point. My face was really on fire. And I'm going to guess this was because of the retinol. That retinol, once I put it on, like my skin really started to kind of not chip. It started to kind of peel, as well as it started to kind of become very, very sensitive. So you guys really be careful and make sure you're not using that retinol repair every day. You have to use it every other day. And I would even recommend putting in cocoa butter. I kind of mix it with a little cocoa butter, so that way my skin will repair itself with the cocoa butter that I use. So guys, make sure you're careful with that retinol. Look at that. You need a buffer for that retinol cream. So make sure you're using some cocoa butter or something thick to really put a barrier there between your skin. That's all I'm gonna say. Also, if you are watching this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Your girl I feel like I'm putting in the work, and I'm doing it for us. So for us, make sure y'all get this channel going, get this video going, so we can keep the train moving. Like. are the before and after results of my first week of using this product. So as you guys can see, there isn't that big of a difference. Maybe my skin is brighter. I do think there is some slight fading with my scars, which is super good. But there's also some underscarring there from that retinol cream. So make sure you guys are really careful with that cream. And here, of course, is my results after 2 weeks, or actually 3 weeks of using the product. As you can probably tell, my skin is a lot clearer. My dark marks aren't as focused. And of course, there is a little bit of peeling and there is a little bit of dryness, mainly because I ain't put no lotion on. But my skin actually looks clearer, and I'm actually pretty proud of the work that was done. Ultimately, there are some products I'm going to keep, some products I'm not going to keep. Believe it or not, I am going to keep the retinol dark spot repair treatment. I feel like it was the most effective. I'm also going to keep the sunscreen because I think this sunscreen is one of the best facial sunscreens I've ever had. I'm not going to keep the cleansing bar. I just feel like it's a little too harsh and it adds to the sensitivity. I prefer my facial washes to be more gentle. And I'm not going to keep the serum because I don't think it had enough glow. I prefer vitamin C serum. So if you guys know of a good vitamin C serum, make sure you recommend it because I am on the hunt. That's it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was everything that you needed. If you're looking to peek into my wedding planning process, check out my visit to Kleinfeld's where I said yes to the dress. Bye guys.